Hi students, welcome back to another class of Reggie's Learning Tips. Today we are going to discuss sixth question from exercise 10.3 from vector algebra. Okay, find modulus of vector A and modulus of vector B if A plus B dot A minus B is equal to 8 and modulus of vector A is equal to 8 into modulus of vector B. Okay, find vector A and vector B, modulus magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B if A plus B dot A minus B is given there. Okay, first we should take this vector A plus vector B dot vector A minus vector B, that is equal to vector A dot A minus B. Vector A dot vector A means that is A dot A, then minus A dot minus B means minus A dot B. Okay, then plus B dot A, then minus B dot B. Understood? A dot A means that A dot A, then A dot minus B means minus A dot B, then B dot A means that is B dot A, minus B dot B means that is minus B dot B. Okay, A dot A means that is modulus of A square. A dot A means that is modulus of A square. Okay, A dot A means that is modulus of A square. Then you know A dot B is equal to B dot A because the dot product is commutative in nature. Okay, then we can cancel these two, minus A dot B and plus A dot B, then we will get B dot B. What is B dot B? Correct, modulus of B square. Modulus of B square. Then here magnitude of vector A is equal to 8 times of magnitude of vector B is given there. So we can apply that one here. Vector A, modulus of vector A is equal to 8 times of modulus of vector B. So modulus of vector A square means that 64 modulus of vector B square minus modulus of vector B square. Okay, that is equal to, what is the value of A plus B dot A minus B? That is equal to 8. So we should write here 8 and here also 8. Understood? A plus B dot A minus B means A dot A minus A dot B plus B dot A minus B dot B. This we can cancel. Then we will get modulus of A square minus modulus of B square. A plus B dot A minus B means that is 8. So 8 is equal to, instead of this A we should write 8B. So 64B square minus B square. Then 64B square minus B square, that is equal to 63 modulus of B square, that is equal to 8. Then modulus of B square, that is equal to 8 by 63. Therefore modulus of B is equal to root of 8 by 63. Root of 8 by 63 means that is, root 8 means that is root of 4 into 2, that's 2 root 2. 2 root 2 divided by root of 63 means 9 into 7. Root of 9 into 7, that is 3 root 7. Okay, then we will get magnitude of vector B is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. Then we should find magnitude of vector A. So for that we can substitute here vector magnitude of vector A is equal to 8 times of magnitude of vector B. That is equal to 8 times of magnitude of vector B means that is 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. That is equal to 16 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. Understood? First we should open the bracket there, then we will get a modulus of a dot a is equal to modulus of a square, b dot b means that is modulus of b square, a dot b is equal to b dot a, so we can cancel these two, then we will get modulus of a square minus modulus of b square is equal to 8, then modulus of a means that is 8 times of modulus of b, then 64 b square minus b square, that is 63 b square is equal to 8, so b square is equal to 8 by 63, then b is equal to root of 8 by 63, that is 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7, then we have to substitute there modulus of vector a is equal to 8 times of modulus of vector b, then 8 into 2 root 2 divided by 3 root 7, that is equal to 16 root 2 divided by 3 root 7. Understood? Then we can see next problem. Then 7th question, evaluate the product 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. Okay, 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. 3 into 2 means that is 6. A dot a means modulus of a square. Correct. Modulus of a square. 3a dot 7b. 21a dot b plus 21a dot b. Then minus 5b dot 2a. Correct. Minus 10 b dot a. Then minus 5b dot 7b. Perfect. Minus 35 b dot b means that is modulus of b square. Then that is equal to 6 into modulus of a square. A dot b is equal to b dot a. A dot b, we know a dot b is equal to b dot a because dot product is commutative in nature. So 21a dot b minus 10 b dot a. B dot a means that is a dot b. So 21 minus 10 means that is 11a dot b minus 35 modulus of b square. Am I correct? Okay. Then find magnitude of A and magnitude of B having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60. Angle between them is 60 means that is theta is equal to 60 degree. And their scalar product means that is A dot B. A dot B is equal to 1 by 2. We should find modulus of vector A and modulus of vector B. Modulus of vector A and modulus of vector B. They have the same magnitude. Okay, then we can write A dot B is equal to modulus of A into modulus of B into cos theta. A dot B means that is 1 by 2 is equal to modulus of A and modulus of B are same. So instead of modulus B, okay, we can write modulus of A. So modulus of A into modulus of A means that is modulus of A square into cos 60. Cos 60 means that is 1 by 2. So we can write here 1 by 2 is equal to modulus of A the whole square into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel, then we can write modulus of vector A square is equal to 1. Therefore, modulus of vector A is equal to 1. Modulus of vector A is equal to 1. Therefore, modulus of vector B also is equal to 1. Understood? Okay, students, study up to here. The remaining problem we will see in the next class. Okay, bye.